You was working so diligently up here.
You're like, I like the way you're doing it. Yeah.
Yeah. Rich is over here packing them on. Guys almost bleeding out over here. Got it.
Practicing for the 18th, February 18th. That's exactly what we're doing. We're practicing for that.
Save him.
Almost there. Oh, that's awesome. Oops. Cool. Yeah, so what you do, you take the rest on there, pull it up, and then, because you're carrying regular Carolux, you're holding for 10 minutes.
Okay.
You with combat guys, you're holding for 3 minutes. All right, so let's slowly pull it out. Look, that's all bulged in. You got a nice tight pack in there. So you'll notice that it's light colored right now. You usually stop the bleeding, right? So it's not intense bleeding, or else that would have all been blood soaked. Hey guys, how we doing? So now you're getting darker. You got some clotting going on the bandage.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
You got a lot of clotting going on right there. Look at that. Look at all that clotting right there. Look at that.
Just like we just threw it on the floor.
You just put it right in there. Yeah.
It's red. Or you can flip it to red.
Alrighty, we got Andre up now.
Yes. He was doing really good there, I must say.
All right.
Can you live?
I think he might have saved
Yeah,
I
it.
think he did.
You can ask the instructor. He tell you.
I don't know, Andre, you got a bleeder here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Yours is out of your. Oh, go. He's bleeding.
Thumb action.
You gotta wipe that off when we're done.
Uh-oh.
He's squirting out.
Law enforcement might question you when you're done, but
Why do you have blood on you? We don't. It's not blood, it's Kool-Aid. Clotting Kool-Aid.
The last guy that asked me that question, that's what happened.
get set up with some more gauze, and I'll help you figure this one out.
Here we are with Master G. He's packing the wound. Look at that. Doing the naughty.
I would like to roll it, but yeah. There you go.
That's just one thing to consider. I know you guys say you would drop a knee in the groin area while you're doing that. Just think about that, because it's taking a lot of time tying those together. But I know what you guys are thinking, though. So we pay the doctors a lot of money.
Trying not to pay them a lot of money. Yeah. They're like, wait a minute, that's 3 hours extra.
Now, one good thing about your combat gauze is it has a blue radio opaque strip in it.
Okay.
And it's 12 foot long, so
Right.
4 of these equals 1. So, I'm sorry, 3 of them equals 1 pack of combat gauze. So they're going to find it in X-ray anyhow.
Yeah, exactly.
Andre, the good news is this will wash out in the laundry, so it's not going to stay in this awesome shirt.
How worried are you guys about if I don't control at 0, I'm not strong enough to get repair people. If you're a big, strong, when we're using soft guy,
Either that or we can run a cat.
Yeah, you would
cat on there.
you would put a tourniquet on first.
Yeah. So we try to cut off as much as possible with the cat, whatever not, then we just pack the wound on top, stabilize the compression. Yeah, I told you I don't know anything about this stuff.
You know a little bit about this stuff. You've had training.
Just a little bit.
I knew right when you did the thumbs.
Oh.
I'm telling you, I knew.
Like, this guy
And then you started tying them off.
And then you're like, oh God.
Somebody showed you that technique. I know it.
You learned it somewhere.
So Andre has the benefit because he carries combat gloves. You know, for that extra, $30 he paid, he only still pressure for 3
Yes,
minutes. You're still
exactly.
stuck at 10.
Oh, I know.
All right, Andre, good job. Let's check our work. Okay, slowly pull it out.
Look at that. There it goes.
Yeah, you should start seeing some clots there.
A little bit.
Yeah, just a little. Okay, there we go.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh, check that out.
At the end.
Right there, look.
Yep.
Sweet.
Coagulation.
All right, that's for you right there. That's a wet Clorox one, and then you wipe it off with that shop towel there. There you go.
You must have that much? Oh,
Yeah, you're on your. We won't say nothing, but you.
Law enforcement questions, you tell them to come and see me. I'll vouch for you.
Like who? I don't know that. Andre guy? No, I think he killed somebody. Did he have blood all over him?
Like the last guy, I saved the last guy.
Yeah.
Oh, this happened to the last guy who asked me that question. Sure, you want to answer the question?
And cut.